What's going on, guys? If you made it this far, I want to say welcome to Sci-Fi. I go by the name Tyron Foster. I'm the creator of this method and also the creator of this tool. Now, I need you guys to understand why this was built in the first place. It's built for people like you. It was built for people that wanted to get their time back. It was built for people that have kids and have work and just stressed out, and just pretty much just giving back your dream. So I don't welcome you guys. This is going to be called Sci-Fi in 5 minutes because you really could explain this in less than 5 minutes. I might take my time on this video, but you can literally explain this in 5 minutes. I'm talking about a pub, bar, lounge, on the beach. And people are always going to ask, I always want to get into trading, but how do you do it? And this is that type of video that's going to train you on how to be able to duplicate and share this opportunity with everybody else. So I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys are ready for your chairman season because I want to welcome you guys to Sci-Fi. And just remember, Sci-Fi got it. So let's go ahead and dive into it real quick. You're going to have an alert panel that's going to give you 5 classes: forex currency pairs, exotic currency pairs, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and indices. And you can play all of these the exact same way. There's going to be 2 time frames on here, as you see here. All right. Now, all you're focusing on is up and down. You have up and you have down. You have up, you have down. Notice there are 2 different classes of arrows. There's the triangular arrow that's darker, and then there's also the lighter arrows, which is obviously lighter. Now, these are basically helping you understand how long you can stay into a trade. The darker arrows are going to be the longer term type trades. You could say you could stay in for 24 hours or more. The lighter arrows are for pretty much shorter plays for a certain amount of candles. All right. So this is your Sci-Fi here. This is what it looks like when you log into sci-fi.im. Notice the darker shades. You only see 2 of them, but you see a lot of lighter ones because the lighter ones are going to play a little bit more, not even a little bit more, a lot more than the darker ones. The darker ones need a lot more parameters for them to show up, but they are the most accurate ones. But we want to give you guys every possibility in the market. Now, this is called the Adapt Creed, the Adapt Pledge, and this is exactly how you're going to play when you're explaining this to your friend on the beach that wants to know about trading. Is all they have to do is learn to adapt to the new style of the world, the new style of trading. Learn to adapt to the markets in the current states that it is in right now. So welcome, Sci-Fi got it. So guys, the first letter of adapt is A, which is for arrow. We need to figure out if we're playing up or down. Now, I need you guys to see on the screen, you can see there is a green box in the back of the charts. This is going to give you a quick, uh, uh, pretty much quick access to know if a trade's up or down. If it's green in the background, nothing but buys or nothing but up. And if it's red in the background, nothing but down. So it's really easy to know the arrow, which is the A, by just looking at the green in the background. So arrow up or down. As you see here, it is up. The next is, what days do we sci-fi? We sci-fi Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. All right, that's the only days. No Mondays. No Mondays at all. Mondays is going to help you dictate the rest of the week, so we're going to just take that day off. So is the arrow within the days that we sci-fi? The next is, do we actually accept that play? Are you playing lighter shades? Are you playing darker shades? Do you actually accept it? Is this the one that you actually want? Then we have our protection. We're going to place our protection. Our protection goes below the previous low because we are obviously buying on this. We're going up on there. So our protection is going to be below the low. As you see here on the screen, here's the lowest point of the previous. You just look to the left. And we're going to put our protection. Our protection is basically going to be there just in case if the trade continues to keep going deeper. Sometimes these trades are going to go a little bit deeper, which means it doesn't mean the trade's over. Just means that you're going to be setting up for an even bigger play. All right. And then the last is time-based exits. And how this works is off of a 8-candle rule. The first rule is 8 candles. Once you enter off of any time frame that we play, which is a 30-minute or 1 hour, if you count out 8 candles, if you're in profit, you stay in the trade. The next checkpoint is another 8 hours. If you are in profit, stay in the trade. Not 8 hours, but 8 candles. The next checkpoint, which is 3, is only 4 candles. If you are in profit, stay in the trade. The next one is 8 plus a 2, plus a 4, which is 12 candles. If you're in profit, stay in the trade. And the last one is 16 candles. Are you in profit? Go ahead and pull out the trade. Checkpoint 5, you're pretty much done. Myself, I like to pull out around 4 and 5. But as you see here, our entry is down here. Are we in profit? Yes, we are. We stay in the trade. This is your time-based exit. Now, how this works is just pull out your phone, just talk to Siri, tell her to set a timer for 8 candles, which 8 candles on the 30-minute time frame will be 4 hours because 30 minutes times 8 is 4 hours. So your first timer is set for 4 hours. Your second timer is set for another 4 hours. Your third timer is set for 2 hours. Your fourth timer is set for 6 hours. I mean, just look at like an eights. 2 plus 6 is going to be an 8. And then the last one from 4 to 5 is your last 8 hours. And that's it, guys. Welcome to sci-fi. We're going to run it a couple times, all right? So here you got your adapt. Arrow up or down, guys? It's up because it's green on the background. Days to sci-fi. Is it within Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday? Yes, it is. Do we accept the actual play we're looking at on that Tuesday or Thursday or Wednesday or Friday? Or, yeah, Thursday or Friday. Yes, we do. Where do we place our protection? We're going to place it below the low. Now, on the screen, they kind of cut it off right here, but it was actually supposed to be down here, but the screen wouldn't work. But you guys get the point. You're going to put it below that low. Spread times 3. If you want to know a little bit more on spread times 3, make sure you guys head over to my favorites. I teach more in details on spread times 3. But you could just throw it, 6 pips, 5 pips below that low, and you should be fine. All right? And then the last thing is time-based exits. In 8 candles from this first entry, are we in profit? In 4 hours, yes, we are. The next 4 hours, are we in profit? Yes, we are. The next 2 hours, are we in profit? Yes, we are. The next 6 hours, are we in profit? Yes. The next 8, are we in profit? Go ahead and pull out. Let's run it for some cells real quick. So here we have a red background, which we already know. If it's red, nothing but down. So arrow up or down? It is down. Days to sci-fi. Are we within those days? Yes, we are. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday because we do not play Mondays. Do we actually accept the play that we're playing? Yes, we are. Yes, we do. We're going to place our protection. We're going to look to the left. And as we see the highest point up here, we're going to place it about 6 pips up there. 7 pips, 8 pips, 10 pips, depending on how you feel on that. All right. But if you want to know the actual formula, spread times 3 or 4, and you should be fine. All right. This is so that if the market does reach up here and they open up the spreads, they do not hit this. Now, if you don't know what spreads is, it's okay. Head over to your basics and it'll let you know about spread. All right. We are going to place our protection, and in the first checkpoint, are we in profit, which is 4 hours? Now we're going to set it for another 4 hours. Are we in profit? Yes. Now we're going to set it for another 2 hours. Are we in profit? Yes. Now we're going to set it for another 6 hours. Are we in profit? Yes. Are we going to set it for another 8? Are we in profit? Go ahead and pull out. Congratulations. Now let's run it one more time. I told you guys it's this simple. All right, arrow up or down. For A for adapt. All right, nothing but down because it's red on the back. All right, days to sci-fi. These are the days that we're going to play. Great, love it. All right, accept the play. Do I accept it? Yes, I do. This is the one I want to play. Look to the left, place my protection above that high. We want to make sure that it's out of reach. All right, and then we use our time base. And 8 candles, are you in profit? Yes. And 8 more candles, which is 4 more hours, are you in profit? Yes. 4 more candles, which is 2 hours, are you in profit? Yes. 12 candles, which is 6 hours, are you in profit? Yes. And the last 8, which is 24 hours. Congratulations. You just learned how to sci-fi. Use this. Use this and show the next person. Because it literally is that simple. So why is sci-fi different? Your speed of analysis will increase. The sci-fi got it. Your consistency will increase. The sci-fi got it. It's uncomplicated and simple. And it's a confidence boost because sci-fi got it. It reduces your time on the chart, and that's my favorite part because sci-fi got it. Sci-fi is going to do pretty much 90% of the work, and all you have to do is show up. You are the god in the market, but guess what? It's going to be the eyes of the market for you. What can sci-fi do for you? It's going to make you calm. It's going to give you clarity. It's going to give you time. I don't have to think anymore due to the simplicity. I love that part. And peace of mind. But the biggest thing is it's going to give you your dream back. You used to dream so big that no one could take it from you. You used to dream as kids. You knew you could be anything. But what happened to that passion? They stole it from us. We used to dream about our lives of we could be. I want you to think about that right now. Because that's why I built sci-fi in the first place, was to give me my time back to actually live out my dream, which right now I'm traveling the world and I'm enjoying every last piece of it because this is something I dreamed about. And I want you guys to be able to experience the same thing too. So thank you guys so much for this session. And in under 10 minutes, you guys learned how to pretty much duplicate this in sci-fi in 5 minutes. I'll see you guys soon.